Good morning, children. In Home Science for Class 12, we are continuing the chapter Consumer Education and Protection, and the topic that is taken today is standard marks. Standard marks are very important marks as they give us information about the product, consumer item, goods that are purchased by an individual as consumer. So they play a very important role as they have the legal authenticity, because these marks are allotted to ensure the quality of the product or goods so that the consumer consumes a pure and good food item, and the services that it is or he is enjoying are of good quality. So let us see the meaning first. To standard mark, it is a mark or a symbol given to a product which meets certain standards with respect to the quality in terms of material, method, how it is prepared, under what conditions it was prepared, manufactured. Then labeling, the information about its manufacturing, date of manufacturing, date of expiry, how it is to be used, the place, the name of the manufacturer, ingredients, etc. Then about its packaging and its performance. That is the meaning of standard marks. Now we see different standard marks. You must have seen this symbol, that is FSSAI. That is the abbreviation. Sorry, that means Food Safety and Security Authority of India. Food Safety and Security Authority of India. It is given on most of the food items, with a particular license number also. And it was established in the year 2006 under Food Safety and Standard Authority Act. Act means the law. So this law was framed in the year 2006, and it is seen almost on all the food items, the packets, including the packed food like milk also. Okay. Next is BIS. What is BIS? BIS, the Bureau of Indian Standard. Earlier it was known as ISI, as Indian Standard Institution, okay, that issues the licenses to the manufacturers whose goods meet the relevant standard. This symbol ISI, that also is seen on most of the appliances and products, including the edible and food items also, like salt, biscuits, processed food, cereals, candies, beverages, etc. And you can see, and you must see and notice on the electrical appliances also, like press, geyser, etc. Then home appliances like pressure cooker, gas stove, and soap, paints, etc. Next is egg mark. Children, this egg mark spells AGMARK, not EGGMARK. This is related to those products which are obtained from agricultural fields, or these are seen, or this symbol is seen on the products that are agricultural products. Okay. And it was by the Agricultural Product Act of 1937 that was amended in independent India in 1986, and it is a trademark set up by the DMI, a body attached with Ministry of Agriculture, and it undertakes the grading and marketing of agricultural products like spices, cereals, oils, eggs, ghee, butter, tea leaves, etc. Okay. Now we come to the next standard mark, that is FPO. FPO stands for fruit product, okay, as fruit product order. So this is seen on and is given on the products that are prepared by or by using the fruits, and that is mandatory for any preserved product prepared on commercial basis or on large scale. If we prepare preserved food at home, it is not required, but if it is prepared for selling purpose at large level, then it must bear this symbol of FPO, that means food, not food, fruit product order. And you can see this symbol on the bottles and packets of jams, jellies, juices, pickles, canned foods, etc. And you must notice them also. Next is the category of the items that are not edible or food product, but these are the other things like wool and woolen garments, silk clothes or cloth, and the jewelry. And the standard marks for them are as wool mark, silk mark, and hallmark respectively. Wool mark indicates the purity of the wool. It is the standard mark of quality of the International Wool Secretariat. And silk mark is promoted by SMOI, that is an initiative of Central Silk Board, Ministry of Textile, Government of India, and that ensures the purity of silk. Now we take the jewelry that has hallmark. Hallmark is the indication that ensures the purity and the carats of the gold that is used, and it is awarded to silver, gold, and platinum jewelry. Okay, and that is tested at an official assaying and hallmarking center, and it consists of 5 parts. That is very minute, which cannot be seen very easily without the help of a lens or microscope, and that has these 5 parts: BIS, carat, A and HMC logo, year, and jewelers logo. So this is about the standard marks. Thank you.